This is the lift. It's M&S in Kettering. Go down to 0.
Doors closing.
It used to be a Furse lift. It was refurbished, unfortunately, by Stannah. Capacity 8 persons, 6 kilos. I don't know when it was refurbished.
Floor 0.
We're at 0.
Doors opening.
Back up to 1.
Doors.
And it's built up on a hill. It shows the time and the day.
Floor 1.
We're at 1. Squeaks at the
Doors
top.
opening.
It's not too bad lift. It's not too bad. There it goes.
Doors closing.
There it goes. And there we are.